In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add answer feedback to quizzes in Google Forms and explore how students will see this feedback. This feature in Google Forms can greatly enhance the educational experience by providing informative and instant feedback to students as they progress through their quizzes. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Forms in your web browser. If you've already created your quiz, locate the specific quiz form you wish to modify. If not, create a new quiz by clicking on the blank form button, and make sure to set it as a quiz via the settings menu. Setting your form as a quiz will automatically enable options such as point values, which are essential for comprehensive feedback. Once you have your quiz ready, click on the question to which you want to add feedback. You will notice an option that appears in the form of an icon labeled Answer Key at the bottom of each question. Click on Answer Key to open the answer settings for that particular question. Here, you can assign point values to correct answers, which can be helpful for your students to gauge their understanding. More importantly, you'll find the Add Answer Feedback option. When you click this, it will open a new window where you can write specific feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. Providing feedback for correct answers allows you to acknowledge a student's understanding and perhaps reinforce the concept with additional insights or related information. For incorrect answers, feedback can guide students towards the right answer by pointing them in the right direction or by offering clarifying information that pertains to their mistake. This instant reflection on their work is valuable for learning and retention. After you've typed in the feedback, click the Save button to apply these changes to your question. Google Forms even allows you to add links or videos in the feedback, which can be particularly useful if you want to provide more in-depth explanations or direct students to more resources. Once you're satisfied with your feedback for each question, remember to preview the quiz by clicking the eye-shaped preview icon. This not only allows you to see exactly how the quiz will appear to students, but also confirms that your feedback is set up properly. Going through the quiz yourself ensures there are no errors and that all educational resources are linked as intended. When students complete the quiz, they will be able to see the feedback immediately, which supports a more interactive learning environment. Whether they got the answer right or wrong, they can benefit from the personalized notes you've provided. This immediate feedback is key in enabling a better assessment process, paving the way for a more immersive learning experience.